Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and thank you for watching this video. Today I will show you what and how to feed baby birds. If you don't know how I got these birds, please check out the video in the description box. What you see here is my first attempt at feeding these baby birds. The slurry I made was very dilute. I decided not to give any store-bought food to these baby birds. Everything that I fed them were homemade. Let me show you what I fed them. So I took boiled egg and grounded oatmeal in a mortar and pestle, and then I grounded them into a paste. Once my paste was ready, I added some water to make my slurry. Add a little bit of water at the beginning and then try and mix it so that you can judge the consistency. Otherwise, if you add too much water, it's going to be very dilute. These birds do not need any additional water. The slurry that you're making, that's good enough for them. Now, for feeding, you don't need any dental syringe. I used a regular syringe that I had at home. Also note that their crop gets filled with air. Don't worry about that. They will get the air out within an hour after feeding. A good question is, how do you know when to stop feeding? Usually they will close their mouth as soon as they're full, so you don't have to worry about overfeeding. Once the feeding is done, you can clean them up with a wet paper towel. Otherwise, the food will stick to their feathers and that's not good. If you like the video, please subscribe and stay connected. Next week, I will post a video on how to make a nest for these baby birds. See you then. Bye-bye. Ready?